Hello, fam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I'm so shy. I left for a whole month. I'm so sorry. Now I'm back. If today is your first time of seeing my video, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Thank you. My name is Olayinka, but as you all know, I love it when you call me Queen King. Yes, today's video will be doing tutorial on how to make bridal and fan. This is beautiful, and all what you need is what you can get in the market. No magic. Now let's get to work. Now you will need this plank. I bought this like this. This design, it has different design. So you need this feather. Sorry, that one is not showing very well. You need that balloon paper. You need this design trimmings. You need the tiny trimmings. Then you need this big trimmings. I don't know why I'm so far. Sorry. I don't want this video to be too long. So you need that hot glue. So the first thing you need to do is cover the handle of that and fan with this balloon paper, because you can't just leave that like that. So you will need to cover it so that it will not be too painful when the bride is holding for too long. So you need to cover it to make it more like a foamy stuff. So this balloon paper has different color. You can get that those selling bridal material, that's different color. You can buy any color you like. So make sure you cover it very well. When you cover it and you carry it, you see that it's nice, so you can go ahead. Then the next thing to do is to wrap it with these tiny trimmings. Can you see this tiny trimmings? When you are doing this, you make sure that it's very close to each other and your hand is very firm. Make sure your hand is very firm. I have to do it like this because I don't want the video to be too long. I'm sorry. So make sure you cover it like this very well and very firm. Can you see? As you are doing it, you are gluing it down using your hot glue to glue it down. So you are doing it. So next thing now is to cut it and arrange it. Then the next thing now is to draw where you want your feathers to be. Now I just want to do 4 layers on this plank. So I'm just drawing. You can take your pencil, your biro, anything, marker. I'm using marker right now. So I'm using just 4 layers, both back and front. So both sides I'm using. Then the next thing is to do your feathers. Arrange it on the where you want it to be before you glue it. Yes, before you put your hot glue. Can you see? Before you, please subscribe. Subscribe if you have not done that. Thank you. Like, share, and comment. So all you need to do is to do the way I'm doing it. So it's just 4 layers. I'm doing both sides. So arrange it first. Size it before you put your hot glue, because once you put the hot glue, you can't even do anything again because immediately you are ready to glue. This is very fast. This is the best. This hot glue is the best to use. If you use any other gum, you have to wait for it to dry before you. But this one, once you put it, you have to use it immediately. So you should get your things ready before you even put the glue. So both sizes, the excess you cut it away. This feathers I'm using is 2 packs. I use 2 packs. So I need to tell you this. For this particular design, I use 2 packs. And 2 packs is 4 years. 1 pack is 2 years. So I use 2 years in front and I use 2 years at the other side. So if you want to use more than that, you can buy it. But this is what I want to do. I don't want to use too much feathers. And it depends on your client. So if your client is paying more than, if you are doing this for a client and is paying more, so you can easily. So I'm seeing there is one plank I'm seeing over there, so I have to cover it with this my trimmings. So that's why you need that trimmings at times. You know that there is still enough space that you don't want to put feathers again, then you can put that trimmings to cover it. So I don't want the plank to be showing because you don't want anybody to know what you are using under. So you have to cover it. I hope you know, I hope you get what I'm saying. So you have to cover it. So you cover both side, turn to the other side and still cover it like that. Yeah. So you can just say something nice if you like what I'm doing. So this lovely design trimmings have different design in the market. So I am using this type. This is 1 yard. This 1 yard have 9 pieces. So I'm using just six out of it. So I'm using three in front and three at the back. Anything I'm doing in one side, I'm doing on the other side. That's the way I just want to do it. So if you want to do your own, you can decide to do it in one side and leave the other side. So I don't know, just the design I want to do. So then what you want to do there, you want to make sure you arrange the trimmings on the hand fan before you start gluing it. It's very important for you to arrange it before you glue it down. So that you know where to put it, so that you will not make mistake, so that it will be equal, it will be on a straight line on the way you want it to be. Yes. Yes. So we are done. This is the way I did on the first and second side. So I'm seeing that place that is open. I'm seeing that plank. So I don't want the plank to be showing. So I have to cover with that tiny trimmings. Yes. I don't know what happened to my ring lights. Ah, the color is just changing anyhow. So I have this glitter stone, this stony glitter. So I want it to glitter. I just want that glitter effect. So just arrange it the way you like, anyhow you like. All the stone. So I the same way I'm doing on one side, I'm doing on the second side, on the other side too, just to give me that glitter effect. It's as simple as all you need, just creativity. There is no magic here. So just your hand and playing with your hands and you are good to go. Now we are done. Hula. Can you see how beautiful this is looking? Now we are done. You can do this in any color. That feathers has different color. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.